ARTRADE is a technology based on augmented reality, developed to train employees through an immersive experience. This technique uses visual resources from pieces that form the computer and guides its own assembling process, aiming to help the employee develop their own activities with more autonomy and safety. Besides that, ARTRADE has a configurable evaluation module, manual and automated, that relies on artificial technology to measure the person's performance. This way, it becomes a key resource in the recruitment process for the assembly line and for internal balancing of factory processes. To set up new trainings according to the necessity and demand from the factory, we also developed the ARTRADE Maker, a customizable authoring tool that allows the creation of varied content with 3D elements, images, texts, videos, among others, for application in ARTRADE. This functionality also produces content accessible for deaf people. This means more qualifying courses may be taught and more people will be trained in less time.